A smart person knows what to say, but a wise person knows whether or not to say. I read this quote 3 years ago. I haven't printed this or saved it anywhere, but still, it has stayed with me till now and stays with me forever. This quote has made a great impact on my life. When I was 16, I started learning a lot about self development, spirituality, how our mind typically works, etc. The type of things that even elder people around me didn't know or didn't want to know. So I was always feeling like I know it all, no one is better than me, or I know more than most of the people around me. So there was this ego complex going on. So whenever something used to go wrong with my friends, so for example someone is going through a breakup, or someone got low marks, or someone is confused about life altogether, then I used to give them the bookish knowledge that don't do these things, do this, do that, meditate daily, read self-help books, go for a walk, blah blah blah. Unfortunately, no one bothered to try my solutions. No one used to like my preaching. My advice was not wrong. I used to give them ready-made solutions. If they applied them, they could really change for good. But the problem was, I was smart enough, but not wise enough. They never asked me for my advice. They never needed my help. They just wanted to share what they were going through. They just needed a shoulder to cry on. They just needed a person who can listen to them attentively and don't judge them. But as I was just smart and not wise, I couldn't see that. For me, it was like, if you have a problem, then find a solution and move forward in your life. And if you are lazy enough to even find a solution, then here you go. I'm giving you a ready-made tailor-fit solution for all your problems. It was very black and white for me. I couldn't understand that why he or she doesn't want to find a solution and get out of that pain. But with us humans, it's not that simple. There always seems to be a grey lining that separates the black and white universe. And to notice that grey lining, one needs to attain a lens of wisdom. The funny thing about wisdom is that you can't get it from books or podcasts or from the external world. It's not like the information. You can become smart by reading books and listening to podcasts. But if you want to become wise, then you need to analyze your own life and its experiences. You need to become aware of yourself and the people around you. If you want an action plan, then just start observing more. Pay more attention to other people. Pay attention to why they are doing what they are doing. Ask yourself this kind of questions. That why do certain people feel certain way when they are in certain kind of situations? And why do some people feel completely opposite in a similar situation? Of course, you might get some kind of idea of wisdom from books or podcasts or from external world. But I believe that you can also become wiser by observing your behaviors and the behaviors of others around you. I didn't read anywhere that my friends are not liking my solutions. I didn't listen to any podcast saying that, Dhruvel, you are preaching too much. Stop it. I became aware by observing other people after I gave my so-called solutions. That's how I got to know that I'm preaching too much and they never needed my help. After becoming aware, it wasn't like an instant change in myself. Because I was addicted to it. I was addicted to giving advices. I was addicted to preaching. After becoming aware, I just got a new perspective over the situation. But I was still the smarter version of me and not the wiser version of me. So as soon as I recognize that now I want to give advice to other people, I take a step back and I repeat this quote inside my head again and again. That a smart person knows what to say, but a wise person knows whether or not to say. After practicing this exercise for months and months, I got used to it. My gut feeling became stronger. And somehow I knew when I should give my advices and solutions and when I shouldn't. So now, after 3 years, I'm not only smarter, but also wiser. The only thing which I want you all to take away from this video is that becoming smart is great. But becoming wise is the greatest. So if you want to become the greatest of all, then strive to become wiser in your life. Because smartness will help you reach from point A to point B. But wisdom will help you to reach from point B to point Z.